welcome back to my channel. It's Diamond, also known as Diamond Denise here, and today I have a great New Year's look for you guys. I like my little shine on dress. This is like my New Year's dress, very sparkly, and a hair tutorial that I did not show you guys on in my hair video, but it's just a top knot bun and I just wrapped the hair around, and that's all I did for that. And this makeup look that I know you guys like. If you want to find out how I created this look, make sure you keep watching this video. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and if you are not new, thank you as always for being loyal. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. Alright guys, so I am going to start off with my MAC eye primer. I'm going to put that on my entire lid with this brush and just blend it out with my finger. Are you guys excited about the new year? I'm so excited. 2020, great vision, great plans. Like, I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are making great goals, gonna be consistent with your goals, just like I'm being consistent with blending out this primer on my eye. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. I tried a new technique. As you can see, my brows are already done, and I actually already have on my eyelashes. I do not normally put eyelashes on first, but guys, I really wanted to try this. Another YouTuber that I really like to watch, Sophiology, actually does her eyelashes first, and here I am just gonna try it out and see how it works for me. Alright, so I'm using this brown, light brown color, because you really want to have a base once you apply that shadow onto your eye, or the primer rather. So I want to go ahead and put a color, a nice transition color in my crease. I always go for like a brown, something around this shade. You guys gotta just try to find a color that looks great as your transition color for your skin. So now I'm going to go in with a more of a red color, and I'm going to put that on my eye as well. I'm going to kind of put that right in the corner and blend that out. And it looks really good. As I keep blending, I feel like this color was maybe just a little too orangey. So you guys are going to see me go in with another color and just put it right on top of that color. But the key to any good foundation, or I'm sorry, good eyeshadow blending, is to just keep blending. And as you see, I went in with another color and it's looking good. And you have to make this face, guys, because if you don't make this face, it's not going to be popping. Now I'm going to go in with a gold shimmer color, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid right in the center, and just go ahead and press the pigment onto my eye. I didn't really blend it because I really wanted the pigment to almost be stacked on. So I just pressed it in, pressed it in, pressed it in. And then I'm going to go in with this brown color, and I'm going to put that right above that color and kind of cut my crease with it a little bit. It's like a little trick you can use to cut the crease, but not really cut the crease. And then just blend that brown out. Now I'm going to go in with this green color because green's my favorite color, and I wanted to do something green. I was thinking a little green and gold. It doesn't look as green as it does, but I'm just going to put that in the very corner of my eye in like a little triangle shape, and then just blend that out as well. And honestly, the more you blend in, the better the colors blend, guys. So I keep saying it, but just keep blending. That's all you gotta do, really. Just blend, 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 blend. And I think that it's turning out so cute. So now that that is all done, guys, I am going to take my foundation. This is my Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation, and I am just going to blend that out. Do not try to put on earrings, or don't wear earrings and put on foundation, because it doesn't work. But I'm just putting this on my face. Guys, I told y'all in my last video, my skin has been doing so much better, so I have not had to use as much foundation. So as you can see, those few pumps, I just spread that evenly onto my face and blended it out. Now, as you can see, I'm going up around my eye. That's where the eyeshadow was. Kind of just helps make the eyeshadow look a little cleaner. Now I'm going at my favorite concealer, and this is my Tarte in the color medium, and I'm gonna put some dots on my face, you know, and blend those out as well. If you look up while you're blending, it really helps to minimize the creasing that you get under your eye. So just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm taking my setting powder, and I'm going to just press it into my skin just to minimize the shine And then I'm using my bronzer, and I'm gonna put that on my cheeks, cheekbones, around my whole entire perimeter of my head, and of course blend that out as well. Definitely gives my face a nice contour, darling. And now I'm gonna get some highlighter because it's New Year's and you have to shine on. I'm just gonna put that on. I used my Ruby Roo lipstick, and at first I had a red liner, but I went back in with Night Moth by MAC. You need to clean up the line of your lip. It makes the red lipsticks or dark colors, really any color, look so much better. So let's get into the solo. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you will not miss any more videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.